I'd like to find the road we roamed together, swinging along, finding the long way home. We didn't mind the time or place or weather, singing a song, finding the long way home. Remember, I used to sigh at the end of each day, dear.
What's going on, explorers? Right, we're going to take a walk around a big industrial site. I tried to get, find access to this place a while ago, but there was none. But there is now. The only thing is, they've knocked a lot of the place down. It's basically a huge manufacturing plant, and it's now a huge pile of scrap metal. But there is an old house or two that's still on this site that was incorporated into the factory when it was built, so there is access through here now. As you saw from that opening shot, the roller door to the street is up now, which it wasn't. Yeah, check it out, guys. It's a huge site, but a lot of this storage section has been knocked over, and there's office buildings up towards the front of the other road there. So let's go and take a look around. It's pretty windy today. I might just do a few jump edits to the interesting parts, but let's go. Those huge steel girders there are all bent up and twisted about. Yeah, any caved in sections I'm not going to go in, guys, because it's too windy. There's a lot of dust particles flying around. I can probably get a little look in the door here. These places would have been used as offices anyway, so they would be far from the original. But this one, definitely early 1900s, guys. And it was used as the payroll, injury management, OH&S and environment, human resources. So obviously all the important people were in here. But you can see this classic old door surround that's very late Victorian. Even the old door's still there. Both of them have had that rough cast rendering though. I think that would have been done later. Yeah, there's the other one there. There's the other one there, guys. There's lots of tin flapping around in the wind. All right. Again, this back part would be an extension used as storage and office uses. Oh no, there we go. Display meeting room. Please do not lock door. Oh yeah, there's the original back door to the home. Yeah, this is definitely an original room, which was used as the restrooms. The original room of the home, I should say, because there's the old vent up there. And old window. It looks like they've extended where the front veranda was. That's now an enclosed part too. That's where one of the old fireplaces were. The chimney. Cool. Still the old pull-down light switch. We'll get a look at the front and the side, but from what I could gather, this was like maybe a 1915 or 1920 built home. Okay, well they've plugged out the windows there. There's the old skirting board. Yeah, I'd say even maybe early 1900s. It's definitely before the bungalows came in. Very wide hallway. I think that went into that other part anyway, yeah. Same section. Ooh, some of the floors up here. Yeah, there you go. Just step on there. Is that alright? There's one of the big front windows to the home. Used as an office space. Front door and door surround would have been right here. They've built or added on where the veranda was. Yep. And that was where the other front window was, and turned it into a doorway. Just get a look from the front. Alright, well, this is that tall shed. That very, very noisy piece of metal flapping around. There's some pigeons up the end there, up on the wall. Still at home here. The vents are still going flat out with the breeze outside. Yeah, look, I can't be certain what actually was inside here, but we'll keep moving over towards where the offices are. Little bathroom trough. Looks like a kitchen. What I did just see though is a huge wall safe there. It's actually a walk-in safe. Oh, it's actually got the codes there. Now that's something you don't want to get stuck in. Look at that. Ain't nobody gonna hear you call from in there. Well, unless they safety levers, I don't know how they work, but I suppose they would be. Oh yeah. You can see that basket range stonework from the outside, the exterior of this office building too. So probably office cubicles and front foyer. Oh yeah, this is the reception desk. A whole bunch of lettuce. Yep. That was just where we saw them. Gentleman's loo. In through the maze. It's another front office. Oh, looks like the boardroom, meeting room. There's some plans there. Locked. Well, we'll continue over towards the rest of these offices. So, there's a nice little water fountain in this courtyard. It's in between the office there where the safe was and in between that other section we were just in, which I can see now may have been called the Wheels Division. There's probably some seats out here too. Alright, so this part is not actually offices. It's another part of the production factory. But obviously that's where all the electrics and fuses were, by the look. You can hear more pigeons up there somewhere. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. Well, just see what was in here first. Maybe there's one section of office. Oh yeah, we were in there. That's where the boardroom was, in that other part. Sales office. Well, I was kind of right. There is some offices here. Oh, and some tools. That's locked. Oh. That's probably it. Yep, just a couple of basic offices. Male toilet. Bit of a maze, another maze. Oh, okay. That's where we were. There are change rooms and toilets here. CMM room, whatever that is. Big doors. Must be for the tall people. Another office. Back out into the breeze. So, all those whirlybirds are spinning up there, making that noise. Well, it looks like the entire site was just these sawtooth style buildings. And this one's kind of still standing, but we did start over there in that tall building. But over in this corner, beyond that junk, I can see the excavators over there, so yeah, we first came in straight over through there somewhere. So guys, I was actually hoping these two homes were included in this site too. There's another one there. But I used to always wonder about these old ones driving past at the front here. Now this one goes back into the late 1800s with this old door surround. Just step inside again. I have been inside. And they have been converted to offices, obviously. Kind of figured that years ago when they were fenced inside the whole precinct, but suffered a bit of termite damage too. Don't know how long ago they actually used them as the offices, but we'll have a look at the other one as well. But the floor, I think it's all suffering from white ant or termite damage. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be anywhere close to its original state. It's got that ugly panelling added. Yeah, very deep, with thick walls, deep window sills. This was obviously a meeting room, plenty of whiteboards. And there's water damage there. That's the back door, creaking back and forward in the breeze. Yeah, look at that. That's why the floor's spongy. It's pretty much rotted. It's a very low door, and this was the bathroom area, and obviously some sort of storage room out here. But again, you can tell this is a lean-to part that was added when it was still lived in as a home. I will try and do the research on these two as well, see if I can dig up former names and history. But like I said earlier, a lot of old homes get absorbed into these factories and sites and used as office spaces. But it's always cool to dig up the history. Loo in there. And I also noticed, looking at the back of this one, it's got the double peaked roof, which also suggests it's a late 1800s build. I'll show you guys out in the wind again. There, that M shape. I said it before, it's always a good indicator that it goes back into the 1800s. Oh yeah, the more I look at that one, it's definitely 1800s. That would have been the laundry, I reckon, in there. Green paint, green ticks everywhere. Oh yeah. This is definitely a later build. It's got the toilet incorporated with the home. Oh damn, look at that. Yeah. Even though these were office spaces, they haven't been used for a long time. Damn, look at the floor. Yeah, this is more like an old bungalow setup. An early bungalow. Oh, look at that huge slab of concrete there. That was a support for something. There's another one there. Yeah, wall's been opened up there. This was a pretty basic 4-room early bungalow, I'm going to put it as. We'll see if we can get a look out the front, through the front door. Definitely a bungalow layout. It has got Art Deco hardware on those doors though, but we're not going to be able to see much from here. I don't know, that's built with cinder block from what I can tell, unless it's just had a concrete rendering and the seams drawn in. Yeah, I think that's what's happened. But yeah, it just looks like a bland. Well, it just looks bland, let's face it. Sit it all back without it absolutely falling off completely. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the hinges not sticking due to the white ants. All right. Well guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up because over the north side there, all there is just nothing. Piles of rubble. So we've seen all we can. Probably could have got here sooner, but they were working on this place around the clock. It only seems like over the last week or so they've slowed down on the weekends, they're not even here. Anyway, it was good to have a walk around, see what was left, see what we could see. I can hear some banging over in there now. Alright guys, jump in the comments if you want to. Move on to the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.
Remember, I used to sigh at the end of each day.